Hello everyone, this is Robert at Homecraft. I'm here at our newest listing in Westland. This one's awesome. This is a 3-bedroom, 1 full bath, 1 half bath ranch, finished basement, 2-car garage, fenced backyard. Come on, let's check this one out. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Westland ranch. If you have any questions about this property, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or my team, 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com. Thanks and have a good one.